So this is what the finished results look like, and y'all know I'm always going to tell y'all the tea, so let's just jump right into it. I bought it for $38.94, but it's typically retailed for $64.89. Okay, I bought it from Wig Types. It was on sale and I got it in the color 1B. I wanted something that was exactly this. It was gonna give me a curl pattern that was just gonna be really pretty. It was gonna be long, especially like when it comes to the colder months. I do prefer longer units on me than shorter units, so that's what I was going for, because I don't know, it just kind of made me feel a little warmer. But the one con, I definitely have to say, the wig clips are right here, like directly by the part. Whoever decided that that was the way they wanted to customize this unit, I really need you to go back to the drawing board, take it out and just put it on the side. Like I can't, I just simply cannot. I can't. So if you get it and you're a person like me that you can't, you're gonna either have to take them out and sew them on the side or just dub them all together. That's it. Another con I would definitely say is just the way the lace is. I know mine right now looks good, like it looks fine because obviously I use my pressed powder, but over time that's not gonna be as flawless as you want it to. If you want it to look more realistic and natural looking as possible, I would suggest that you would have to tint this lace. So you can either buy a tinted lace spray, or you can make your own. There's ways you could do it with like a foundation, some alcohol, and a spray bottle, and boom, ba-bang, that's it, you're done. If you are team, I don't want to make nothing, I just want to go grab it out the store, you can also get them online or in a beauty supply store. When I got mine, I bought it from Amazon. That's it. Other than that, I actually really do love the unit. I love the way the texture feels. I love how long it is, and I love how big it gets, but it also doesn't get unmanageably big. Like, if you've had big hair before, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you can comb out a unit and it gets ridiculous on you. Like, you could turn around and just be like, yo, this is too much hair for me to handle. And there is a specific unit I had from Sensational as well that did that, and I just was like, not for me. So that's pretty much it. I think for $38, yes, it's great. Would I pay $60-something for it? No, I wouldn't pay 60-something just because this is all of the parting space that you receive. If it was like any of the other units from the What Lace line, definitely I would drop $60-something on it. But the 30-something, I think it's worth it. Other than that, no. But I hope this helps. I really do love the unit. I'm telling you, it's a 9 out of 10 for me. It was just this. I don't know who decided to put these right here, but y'all gotta go back to the drawing board for it. But thank y'all so much for watching and supporting your girl, and I hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not that